Over the past several years, we've had great success in establishing some district-wide policy, specifically the temperature set point policy, which established an appropriate indoor temperature to establish the proper learning environment. Well, we also had two work instructions that were established which advised the custodian how to go about opening the building in the morning. And that would not be to come in and go throughout the building and turn every light in the building on to prepare for the students. Now we take a look at it, we turn on only what is necessary and only when it is necessary.
In many of our newer buildings, you'll see a greater number of windows from the outside. Those windows, we look at that as light harvesting. We're harvesting the natural light produced by the sun inside the building by putting windows in the building. And what that does is it improves the atmosphere in the building. Statistics have shown that students perform better under natural light conditions. So we want to bring as much natural lighting into the building as we can just to improve the atmosphere. The other thing that it does is allows us to use light sensors that can back off the amount of electric lighting when light conditions are optimal. So when it's bright and sunny outside, we don't need to have as many lights burning throughout the building if we've got natural lighting. So we have sensors that monitor the amount of light coming in those windows, and will literally shut off lights inside the building when the conditions are favorable for natural lighting.
And all of those initiatives, as we benchmarked the first year in the consumption in kilowatt hours, and then we monitored after the implementation of those programs, and we realized an avoidance of nearly $500,000 in electricity purchased, and so that's been in place for 2 years now. So easily that's $1 million of avoided electricity purchases.